Installation Guide for Patio's Cool Decking. Patio's cool decking is easy to install. Nonetheless, it is important to respect each of the following steps carefully. Preparing the surface. The slab must be firm, clean, and have an even surface. At the same time, its surface cannot be too smooth. Initial cleaning. Any dust must be removed from the underside of Patio's cool decking tile and from the surface of the slab with a wire brush. Setting the tile. Each tile and slab surface must be sufficiently hydrated to avoid sudden dehydration of the adhesive. This must be done without overly saturating them. To achieve proper binding, it is essential before placing the tile to coat the underside of each tile and the slab surface with a thick layer of cement enough to form a 2 to 3 mm layer made up of 2 parts regular cement and 1 part water. How to prepare Patio's adhesive cement or similar brand. For each 30 kilograms of adhesive, use between 6.5 to 7.5 liters of water or its equivalent of 2.4 liters of water for each 10 kilograms of adhesive. In case Patio's adhesive mixture is unavailable, another brand's adhesive mixture may be used. Prepare in a bucket by placing in the water first and then adding the adhesive mix until achieving a homogeneous consistency without lumps. Allow it to rest for 10 minutes to activate the additives. Mix again before using. Then, the tile must be placed before the adhesive cement mixture dries. If in the course of time a superficial layer of dry adhesive forms, we recommend that it be removed before mixing again to prevent the formation of lumps. Applying Patio's adhesive cement. It must be applied using a buttering technique, using a brick trowel to extend the mixture over the slab surface, uncovering the area used by 1 or 2 tiles with an approximate 1 centimeter in thickness, depending on the uniformity of the slab surface. Extend a thin layer of mixture over the tile's underside using a brick or plastering trowel. It is important to ensure the coverage of at least 80% of the surface. Slope for drainage. Patio's decking tiles must have a slope of 10 to 15 millimeters per meter to allow water runoff. Expansion joints. It is advisable to incorporate expansion joints in sections of 3.5 by 3.5 meters or every 5 meters when the width is less than 3 meters. These shall coincide with the separation of the tiles and will be filled with a material that is flexible and appropriate for this purpose. Joint placement. Placement and grouting of joints will be done with Patio joint material. Water must be added to the material until a plastic consistency is achieved. A watery consistency is not recommended. The placement will be made in such a way that the joint is recessed 3 to 4 millimeters. The recommended width joint is from 1 to 1.5 centimeters.